Now, for tomorrow, though, we have our weather impact day. There's going to be a few storms, and there might even be some severe weather with some damaging wind, maybe some large hail, and there's also going to be the heavier rain as well as those thunderstorms. This is more around the afternoon heading into the evening of any severe threat that may take place. So here's as we go hour by hour. This is right now as we've got some of that light rain across parts of the upstate. We'll fast forward to 5 o'clock this afternoon, and we still see a little bit more of that light rain pushing its way into now more around western North Carolina, parts of the upstate, close around Spartanburg, over toward Union and Cherokee County. And as we go through tonight, a little bit more rain will be possible, very isolated around the area. As we start off your Tuesday, mostly dry, still very cloudy across the area. And then we'll get more of this rain to move its way in. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon now as we've got more of that scattered wet weather. Not anything severe just yet, but there might be some of that heavy rain, maybe a rumble of thunder or two. We might take a break in the afternoon on Tuesday, but now the severe threat is going to push its way in later in the evening. This is at 10 o'clock at night where we've got more of this heavier rain. There will be a couple thunderstorms, should even be moving its way through the upstate late overnight into early Wednesday morning.